Welcome to another video, the same every time, the quadratic equation formula. And if you watched the last video, then maybe you could pause this video and try the question yourself, see if you get the same answer as me. So what we need to do with a question like this, we need to get those 3 marks. And because these questions are the same every time, we should be able to get those 3 marks because we've practiced these questions before. But the first thing that I would do, it's the same every time. My formula's down there at the bottom, a times x squared plus b times x plus c equals 0. In this case, the letter, the variable is m, but never mind, that's not going to make any real difference. So it's a quadratic equation. I know that because it goes m squared, something m, some number equals 0. Identify the a, the b and the c first. So the a is the number that you multiply by the m squared, so a is equal to 10. The b is the number that you multiply by the m, so b in this case is 9. I don't need to write the plus sign, but be careful with the c because c is negative 162, the number on its own. And then our next move is to calculate, making sure that we're showing all of our working out, the b squared minus 4ac. So b was 9, so 9 squared minus 4 times a, which was 10, times c, which was negative 162. So whatever this turns out to be on my calculator, use your calculator for this. 9 squared minus 4 times 10 times negative 162. Okay, well, it gives me this. So 6,561. Showing all my working and following the same method every time. Now I just have to substitute into my formula, remembering that the formula is actually 2 formulas, one of them with a plus in the middle part there, and one of them was a minus in the middle part there. So minus b was 9, so minus b is going to be negative 9 minus 9. So m equals minus b minus 9 plus square root of b squared minus 4ac, 6,561. All of that divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 10. And then the second solution is exactly the same thing, but with a minus sign, a takeaway sign in the middle part just there. So all of that divide by 2 times 10. Okay, well, it's a calculator job. Try it on your calculator if you haven't done this already. And use your fraction button. So I've pressed the fraction button. On the top of my fraction button, negative 9 plus square root 6561 divide by 2 times 10. And that gives me 3.6. And then the next solution, I can just use my arrow keys, my replay keys, to replace the add with a take away, and I get negative 4.5. I'm going to go with decimals on this one, but they do make nice fractions, but I'll go with decimals. So to make sure that I'm writing everything properly, I'm going to write my solutions in the correct place on my exam paper. So there we are. Those are my 2 solutions. I'll take those 3 marks. The questions are the same every time. If you learn how to do these questions, you can get yourself into the marks. If the video was useful to you, then please do press the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.